Hi there, students. Copious, an adjective. Copiously, the adverb. Okay, copious means in large amounts, more than enough. So we drank copious amounts of beer last night. Whenever I go to a lecture, I take copious notes. Yeah, in large amounts, lots and lots and lots of them. When he was on holiday, he spent copious amounts of money. Yeah, so copious, abundantly. You could have a copious harvest. Yeah, or he has copious supporters, a very large number. So yes, profuse or exuberant. Yeah, he's a copious talker. Yeah, he could talk the hind legs off a donkey. There was copious food and drink to consume. This part of the country has copious rainfall, abundant in large quantities. Yeah, more than enough. Okay, so copious, large numbers, an abundant supply. They say that the Brits drink copious amounts of tea and coffee. He apologized copiously. Yeah, he gave copious apologies. There is a copious supply of electricity this year, maybe. So copious, abundant, ample, bountiful, generous, yeah, plentiful. Yeah, when there's lots and lots and lots of something, it's copious. Yeah, so copious, vast in number, profuse, abundant, on a large scale. Yeah, I have copious admiration for you. Having an abundant supply, he has copious amounts of energy. Yeah, and then full of thought, information, exuberance, in expressional words. So yeah, he always explains everything copiously. His copious style, yeah, always more than enough. So, obvious question, how formal is this word copious? I think I'd give it a 5 in formality. I think you can use it just about anywhere. So, nice flexible word. And then the origin, well, it comes from Latin, copiosus, or from copia, meaning abundance, which is ops talking about wealth. Yeah, so lots of wealth, yeah, or coopsosus, full of wealth. So yeah, copious amounts of money, full of wealth. Well, I hope I've been able to give you copious examples, without confusing you. Yeah. Well, also you'll probably notice there are a copious number of videos in this channel. It rained copiously, profusely. Yeah, there are copious amounts of rain. Yeah, a copious number of people flock to see the film. I believe you have copious friends. You're so outgoing and extroverted that everyone likes you, and like that you just got copious friends. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Copious.